Hey everyone, welcome to the channel of MJ Pentastic, and this is a requested video from one of my subscribers, maybe my subscriber. So in this short video I'm going to talk about what kind of paint I use and how I mix them. So as you asked in my previous video what colors I used, so the colors are blue, red and white of acrylic camelin. You know that I never used any other colors except primaries. You know what are primaries colors? Blue, yellow, sorry, yellow, blue and red. These are the colors which makes all the other colors. So I only use them. That's what I have. So let's take a look how I mix them. Very easy to use. These are the colors I use in my watercolor paintings. They are cheap and yeah, of a good quality too. Last but not least, for oil paintings I use Camelin Artist oil paints. They are super duper awesome. My favorite. See ya in the next video. Bye. And hey, thank you for your comment. If you have any other questions you can ask me.